Welcome students. In this session we shall see problems on ideal and real gases. So the first problem is the volume of a high altitude chamber is 40 meter cube. So I am having a chamber, the volume of which is 40 meter cube. So I can write V is equal to 40 meter cube. It is put into operation by reducing the pressure from 1 bar to 0.4 bar. So initially the pressure was 1 bar. After some time the pressure is reduced to 0.4 bar and the temperature reduces from 25 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. How many kg of air must be removed from the chamber during the process? So during this process, how much amount of air is taken out of the system? So that has to be calculated. Also express this mass as a volume measured at 1 bar and 25 degrees Celsius. So in this problem, R is given as 287 joule per kg Kelvin. So first we shall write the given data. So initial condition, pressure P1 is equal to 1 bar and T1 is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. So this P2 is equal to 0.4 bar and T2 is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. So corresponding to this pressure and temperature, there will be a mass M1, and corresponding to this condition, pressure and temperature, there will be some other mass M2. So both will not be same. So if the pressure is decreasing, automatically some mass will be coming outside. So first we shall write P1 as 1 bar. So 1 bar is equal to 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. T1 is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. I am converting into Kelvin. So 225 plus 273. So that will be giving 298 Kelvin. Similarly, P2 is equal to 0.4 bar, that is equal to 0.4 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. So 1 bar is equal to 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. Also 1 Newton per meter square I can write as 1 Pascal also. And temperature T2 is given as 5 degrees Celsius, or 5 plus 273 is equal to 278 Kelvin. R value is given as 287 joule per kg Kelvin. So initially there was mass M1, and after the pressure is reduced to 0.4 bar, the mass is M2. So how much mass is taken out? So that you keep as delta M. So this is the quantity of mass that is removed during the process. So this delta M I have to find. We all know that P1 V1 is equal to M1 RT1. So ideal gas, I can write PV is equal to MRT, the general equation. If I apply this to the state point 1, I will be getting P1 V1 is equal to M1 R T1. So from this equation I can find what is M1. So M1 is equal to P1 V1 divided by R into T1. Similarly, I can write the ideal gas equation for the state point 2. P2 Vt is equal to M2 R into T2. From this equation you find what is M2. M2 is equal to P2 V2 divided by R T2. So both are the same fluid, that is air. R value is constant. So R value is 287. Now I have to find what is the mass that is removed. So delta M is equal to M1 minus M2. So that is P1 V1 divided by RT1 minus P2 V2 divided by R into T2. So while substituting, you should be careful because if you substitute in some other units, the answer will be totally wrong. So be careful while substituting. Always substitute pressure in Newton per meter square and volume in meter cube and gas constant R in joule per kg Kelvin and temperature in Kelvin. So this you keep it as a standard while substitution. So pressure P1, what is the pressure P1? Pressure P1 is 1 bar. So R is common, I can take it outside. So 1 by 287. So R is common, I have taken out. Pressure P1 is 1 bar or 1 into 10 power 5. And volume V1. So volume is constant. It is given as 40 meter cube. So volume is constant 40 meter cube. So this is V1 and V2. So both are same. I am writing as a V here. So V1 is 40 meter cube divided by T1. Temperature T1 is 298 Kelvin. 298 minus pressure P2 is 0.4 into 10 power 5 into volume is constant, that is 40, divided by temperature T2 is 278. So now if I solve this, I will be getting delta M is equal to 26.71 kg. So how this kg came, let us check. So the mass will be having the units of PV by RT. So for pressure, the unit is Newton per meter square, and for volume we have taken as meter cube. For R, the unit is joule per kg Kelvin, and for temperature it is Kelvin. So Kelvin gets cancelled, here meter square and here meter cube, there will be a meter here. So I will be getting Newton meter divided by joule per kg. So joule Newton meter gets cancelled, remaining this kg gets the numerator. So this will be giving you the unit kg. We know that work is equal to force into distance. Unit of work is joule and unit of force is Newton and unit of distance is meter. So 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. That's why the Newton meter and joule are cancelled here. Now what is asked in the problem is, I have to express this mass as a volume measured at 1 bar and 25 degrees Celsius. I have to express this mass in volume at a pressure of 1 bar and 25 degrees Celsius. So 1 bar means 1 into 10 power 5 Newton per meter square, and this temperature 25 degrees Celsius. This will be 298 Kelvin. So I have to express this mass as a volume. So the same ideal gas equation, PV is equal to mRT, V is equal to mRT by P. So here what mass I have to take is this delta M I have to take and substitute here. Or you can write in general as delta M R into T divided by P. That is equal to 26.71 into 287 into temperature 298 divided by pressure, that is 1 into 10 power 5. So on solving this, I will be getting volume V is equal to 22.84 meter cube.